Actually, medyo complicated yung relationship namin kasi ako yung commander niya dito sa previous unit namin. So hindi namin pinagsasama yung trabaho, never yun, tabu yun eh.
Pag sa work kami. Pero pag sa outside na, doon na siya, giging boyfriend ko talaga. Tagaluto. As in, grabe, mas sinuuna niya ako kaysa sa sarili niya. You were just one of my sir na naging food buddy ko, na naging best friend ko, na naging babe ko. And now, nasawa ko na. I choose you. Yung unang assignment namin is dun sa Coast Guard District Northeastern Mindanao. Siyempre, pag malayo, nag-e-effort talaga siya.
I remembered I was traveling on 400s of kilometers na nakamotor lang ako noon kahit bumabagyo, sumasakay pa ako ng barko. That's when I realized na medyo mahal ko na pala siya ng konti. I choose you over and over again. Only you. Every day till this. After all the twists and turns, here I am, reading these vows to you. Like I imagine, here you are. Nagpapakasal sa akin. Napakalaking impact ng trabaho. Kami ay duty first. But if it comes to kung sasukdulan, mas pipiliin ko siya. I choose you over and over again. Only you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you.
Brother Eman, you may now kiss your wife.
We're both in relationship pa that time. Hindi kami para doon. May purpose si God. Bakit kami yung pinagtagpo dalawa. Let the time to heal all our wounds. We help each other to heal those pain. Di ko sukat akalain makakarating.
I was a newly reported officer and she was the member of admin actually.
Sabi ko lang, Sir Calva, sir, table's ready, sir.
Actually, hindi agad kami nag-click.
Umalis na ako doon, na-reassign ako.
Then I realized na yun.
Parang ayaw niya na wala ako sa tabi niya.
Titila rin ang ulan, tatahan at daraan. Pangako sa'yo, pangako sa'yo, ako ay iyong iyo. Sumpa ko walang hanggan, maglaho man ang buwan.
2 years of relationship seem a very short time for others para magpakasal. But when you are marrying the right person that God created for you, it's God's perfect time.
We don't let the time to heal our wounds, but we helped each other to heal all those pain. That's why we are here today, thankful and blessed, because we have God in our relationship, and of course, we have our supportive families.
I dream of a person, not knowing it's you. I'm so grateful and thankful for everyone's support and our friends and family, and of course, the blessing from your parents and our parents. And with this, I'm so grateful for the blessings of God to us and His grace.
Pangako sa'yo, pangako sa'yo.